So we're gonna start with 2 cups of Genovese basil, okay? Genovese basil is the most traditionally used basil in the US. And I want to talk about, as I talk about the health benefits of what we eat. So Genovese basil is high in minerals. All vegetables, even though this is a herb, vegetables and herbs tend to be very high in minerals, like your calcium, your phosphorus, your iron, your magnesium, copper, all those things. So this is actually about a cup and a half of parsley that I'm putting in here and that I'm going to be using here. And I wanted to show you how really simple it is to take them. Most of them are already off the stock, but I left some on so I could show you how easy it is to remove them from this. You really just pull it straight down, right? And then you have the little top on there and you take the top off. So I'm gonna start with 3 of those and I'm gonna put in, I soaked some pumpkin seed and I'm gonna measure because I don't know how many are in here that I soaked. So let's see. This looks like 8 ounces. So let's start with that. And what food processors and blenders don't do is they don't release the oils. They don't actually break it. They break it up. They, you know, chop it up into fine pieces, but they don't smash it in a way that you can by hand to release the oil. So when you actually do it that way, you get more flavor out of what you're making. And it doesn't take really a long time. As you can see, with what I just put in there, it's done. It's mashed all the way up. So it doesn't take a long time to do it. And it releases the oils, which means it's releasing the flavors. Actually, the oil that I have, and I took it out of the container and put it in this little thing, which is lovely to use. This is which is what I recommend. This is a cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. How to use this avocado. And if it's not enough, then I may, you know, add a little bit of olive oil to it, but I'm going to go for the avocado first. And that's okay. I don't have to. So now, what I told you I was so excited about, I made this last night. This is actually a combination of Brazil nuts and hemp hearts. Okay, my cheese for this. And I mix it up and put it in my little cup here. And I'm gonna start out with some heaping tablespoons. And put some oil in here. Okay. I'm just adding me and Marlene's absolute favorite seasoning, which is yes, liquid smoke. What?
To make a broth.
I'm gonna add a little bit of oil in here, not much. Okay, not much, just because I want a little bit smoother texture. So we're gonna put this in a bowl. I don't know, maybe just do a little bit more lemon in there. Okay, here is the pesto. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I have some spiralized, and I have a couple of things. I have some sweet peppers. We're gonna cut them in half. We're gonna stuff our sweet peppers like this. Then the other thing we're gonna do, I have like some zucchini. This is organic. I spiralized this. Look at this, and that's nice. So you can take your spirals, put them in a little bowl, and or you can make other kind of spirals like angel hair spirals, and take your pasta, mix that up in there, make it real cute, and drop some orange tomatoes.
Orange, yeah.
A few red onions in there. Plus, you can take these beautiful little blossoms and you can pick them right off, right into your bowl. You can see where the greens are attached to the carrots. So I'm just going to cut the tops and the bottoms off. And I already prepped the pineapples. This was like one whole pineapple, which I'm not going to use the whole thing because I don't need to. And so I'm going to add my golden raisins. Now you don't have to use golden raisins. I just happen to like these because they're not as sweet as regular raisins. And you want me to measure, right? Okay, so I'm gonna measure my golden raisins. And I'm gonna like a half a cup.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a half a cup of golden raisins. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some and we're gonna leave it like this, put in a smaller bowl, and we're gonna take the rest and we're gonna say, we wanna do other things. Oh, I did forget one ingredient. I forgot the sliced almond. I made this cream sauce. This cream sauce is made from soaked raw cashews, soaked raw sunflower seeds, and some of the pineapple that I showed you, because you know cashews and soaked sunflower seeds is not sweet. I want a little bit of sweetener, so I put some pineapple in there, and I put a little bit of vanilla extract in there. Other thing I'm going to add to this, I have some organic coconut shreds. I'm going to put that in there. Be a whole meal. And so I'm just going to put this in this serving dish. It might be easier to see. Almond slices, spring water. And I'm going to put in about 1 liter of spring water. Okay. And I have some lemons, of course. So we're going to squeeze our lemon juice in there. And I'm not worried about the seeds because I have a strainer. And so I'm going to squeeze 3 lemons in there. Now that's 1 herb. Can you see what this herb is right here? How many of you know this herb? Lemon balm. Are you familiar with lemon balm? Lemon balm is a herb that's in the mint family. Tastes like lemon. Here is actually lemon zest. It's organic lemon zest. So I'm gonna put the lemon zest in here as well. This is organic blue agave nectar. We'll put in another tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Going once, going twice. Okay, self-confidence to do that.